pretty good.
Yeah, what's her name scored first place over there. One of her students over there. It's the only thing she's got over there in that section.
Red bandana?
Yeah. Yeah, she scored first place.
She won first?
Uh-huh.
First place, Alyssa Morgan. Okay, 7 and under intermediate. In third place, Leah Williamson.
I'm waiting on them to come up. She's got 2 students over there that I have to get, and they haven't come up yet. But other than that, I'm doing everyone over here.
Good done with this division.
No, not yet. I don't think so.
Oh, you got some more gold belts or something?
Yeah, but I think I'm done with her class though.
Second place, Jackson.